So guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to open Figma from Chrome. Alright, on a mobile phone, a Android phone, how you can open Figma from Chrome with a Android phone. Alright, so I'll click on Chrome now. Then I search for Figma login. Figma login. Right, so it's loading now. Then you click on the first website. Click on the first website there. Alright, so it has loaded now. Then okay, you see, if you notice, you make sure that it's on desktop site. As you can see right there, I put the screen on desktop site. Alright, so it's on desktop now. Let's zoom in. Then if you zoom in, you see you can either continue with Google or you log in your Gmail and password. So I'm just going to click continue with Google there. As you can see it, I'm just going to click continue with Google. Allow it to load. Then alright, so now it shows sign in with Google. It shows an account to continue with Figma. I'll click my account here to continue with Figma. Alright, it's loading. Okay, it's loading as well. Let's hold on a bit. Wait to load. Wait to load. It's still loading. Still loading. Alright, okay, it's loading, but you can see now it has opened the Figma right on your mobile device. You see all these portfolios and all these pages that are appearing here. These are works that I've done before with Figma and with this particular Gmail. So as I log in, so once you sign up or you continue with Google, whatever, once you log into any device, your works, you can actually access them from, since your account is already there, you get. So these are the works that I've created before with my system. They are appearing here now. Alright, so now as you can see there is new design file and there is new Fig-Jam file. Alright, so we're going to click on new design file. Click on new design file. Alright, to load as well. Okay, as you can see, it has opened Figma. Right, Figma has opened. So this is just the simple way and the way you open Figma from the website in your mobile device. For those of you that are having issue with it, as you can see, that's what I just did now. Very easy. And you can also add it to your home screen. You can easily add it to your home screen. So another time you just click on it, simple. Alright, so that's it right there. That's where you have it there. See, these are different buttons. You click on them, you get, if you want to start your project. So I'm going to create another video to show you how you can create something with Figma as well. But that's how you log in and you open Figma on your mobile device directly from the website. All right.